what's up?
Hey,
Chap?
good. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay.
Everything
I'm
going
good,
well?
good, good. So what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing some job. What?
Okay. Job work or you are just supplying as a vendor? Supplier.
Yeah, I'm supplier of some reputed company.
Okay. Where is today? Where your staff?
The stop is on the
Leave?
leave, yes.
Okay.
They will come maybe tomorrow.
Okay. So this time you are preparing something for them.
Yeah, something for that.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Sanjay, that's why I'm working.
Okay. Hey, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, good.
So things is moving well.
Yeah. Just I'm taking some.
Okay.
Do you want to say something? Rakesh sir, do you want?
Yeah, I wish all the good luck for all the Indians.
Okay.
May God bless India.
Okay.
Yeah, we are with Indians. They will recover soon.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Hope
Thank
for
you.
the best.
Yeah, okay,
Enjoy.
thank-